Take a note, oh take a note with my paintbrush of nature. Scroll with the image of creation of a mother, supernatural nature, the wall of my canvas, painting right around 360, how my mind with this paintbrush of my lane line, of my heartbeat, my canvas. I feel smooth, relief, calm, clairvoyance, confession, nature speaks. My drawings on my paintbrushes come to life. A breath of nature taking. Listen to this heartbeat, confession and confessing, a confession I speak through this paintbrushes on my canvas of my painting. I feel so alive when this paintbrush paint away into my heart, my mind, my vision, my hands move with these paintbrushes on my canvas, my paintings of my walls surround me, the ceiling, the roof, like an explosion of a passion to draw with my paintbrushes, knowing what I'm expressing in Mother Nature, a woman power, a confession of creation, a blessing taking in power to nature's breath. I feel a tingling sensation in my fingers to do this line of this line of my passion of drawing in the comfort of life itself, supernatural. I feel keep going and keep going, keep going. Paintbrushes take over, take over. Paintbrushes, this nature creation I see, I love, I cheer, I drink to that. Paintbrushes of my lane lines, of my vision.